For us, it's not about re-engineering the wheel, it's about optimizing it.
We are very much in the messy construction phase.
We don't need a 6,000 square foot house. Welcome to the Bedroom and Live. We're excited with where the industry's heading. There's a ton of opportunity, and it's gonna be fun to see who sticks around.
Really efficient, built-in dining right into the kitchen.
Why can't I take the best aspects of a $3 million luxury house and pack them into something that's 1,000 square feet?
All of the paint on these panels have a cool technology.
It's not really a mini house, it's just an efficient floor plan, and there's really nothing tiny about it.
My name is Jared.
My name is Xander. I am one of the founders of Minimal Living Concepts.
This is our dwell unit. It's just over 1,300 square feet on the footprint. It's a little bit over 1,000 square feet livable interior space. Right where we're standing, we actually installed a septic system for this client. It was needed for this size unit, and that's something that we design, engineer, and install ourselves. We are very much in the messy construction phase. Our flooring guys are actually picking up more material right now. In an area like this, it costs less per square foot for us to build the unit and to sell it to you than really the home values are selling for in the neighborhood. You can look at some comparative properties on the market. Typically they're dated, they're older, you're not really getting an efficient floor plan or the style and design that you want, and those properties are actually selling for more on a cost per square foot basis. We're trying to be the antithesis of the typical contractor experience, and we're trying to optimize construction.
You know, there is a massive shortage of housing. It's making the home buying experience really challenging for our generation.
The housing market is almost escaping a lot of people, where they're getting priced out of potentially being able to buy a home at a reasonable price. People who are in their late 20s, early 30s want to go and buy their first home. It's becoming extremely complicated to do.
A lot of the workforce is mobilized now, and this really gave people a moment to say, we don't need a 6,000 square foot house. I don't need all of this stuff. I actually want a smaller space. I want to be more nomadic and move around. Why is it that I can't find something that's beautiful, modern, and affordable? Why can't I take the best aspects of a $3 million luxury house and pack them into something that's 1,000 square feet?
12 months ago, 18 months ago, might have been a $600,000 house. It's now $1 million house. Across the board, you're generally seeing people's salaries stay the same. Having your home and having your property, for a lot of people, it's their main way of transferring wealth to their children and them transferring that to their children.
That's been a major push, is just identifying this issue, this shortage, and saying, what are solutions for that? We're trying to bring something to the table that helps alleviate some of those pressures.
Yeah, so this is our one-bedroom unit here. It's designed to provide everything that you might need into a reasonably sized and versatile space. This is the kitchen and living quarters of this unit. The kitchen over here provides a space for people to do anything that they might need to do in regards to cooking and eating. All of our kitchens feature this glass window backsplash in them. We try and let light into the unit at every opportunity possible without obviously turning it into a glass box and creating negative results that way. All of our units are built on a concrete slab foundation, fully sealed in this standing seam metal exterior. It's actually a metal roofing material, the same thing that you would see on a lot of new luxury homes that are built with metal roofs. All of our units are priced to be as all-inclusive as they could possibly be of a finished unit. But yeah, we just basically wanted to provide an easy solution for people who want to have something amazing built on their property without sacrificing design and their peace of mind over it.
Welcome to the Bedroom and Live. One of the main features of the space is this vertical floor to ceiling glass panel, dual pane, commercial grade, aluminum framed. This is our TV wall. We pre-wire all of these walls so that if you want to mount a TV, you want to put a big plasma screen in here, whatever you want to do, you're able to do it. It's already pre-wired. You can mount and just open up that drywall. This is our desk workspace. These are our built-in cabinets. They're actually highly functional. We've been super happy with these cabinets. Our clients have as well. We have another mini split system. These are highly efficient units. They do an incredible job of heating and cooling the space. These are actually used really around the world.
All of the AC units are placed on the walls for both heating and cooling. This is the AC unit itself. They're small, they're pretty dynamic. They can be placed almost anywhere, which is really convenient for us. We try to always use double the amount of what you would need, the recommended need for these spaces, so that we can make sure that they are all very well regulated in regards to temperature.
We're kind of used to our traditional HVAC systems here in America, but all over Europe, these are actually used to heat and cool spaces, same as Asia.
They're great, they're versatile, they're really energy efficient, and they give us everything that we need to heat and cool the units.
Shipping containers are something we looked at. By the way, we think that shipping containers are really cool. For us, shipping containers have some issues.
When you're going to build a home with containers, once you start getting into that process, you still have to go through the same process as any other structure.
Typically, they have 8-foot ceilings. They're very narrow. So once you install insulation, drywall, those spaces get further narrowed, which creates the issue of managing a floor plan.
As soon as you cut a window in, you got to go through all of the structural engineering, all of the permitting. You have to sanitize the entire thing, cut all of the walls out to specifically just to insulate the structure, and then replace them.
A lot of these shipping containers were used to carry toxic chemicals and pollutants, and so you have to go through a process of certifying that they've been properly cleaned and scrubbed.
We weren't willing to sacrifice design simply to use a product.
Again, not to say that they're all bad. There's a lot of aspects that are very cool about shipping containers. We are 100% open to it. As long as it means the best end product for our clients, we'll investigate it.
Yeah, so all of our units are 100% site built on a concrete slab. The units are all constructed with 2x6 lumber. They're all insulated with spray foam insulation, and then every unit is sealed in that standing seam metal exterior that you see there. It's actually a metal roofing material. The same thing that you would see on a lot of new luxury homes that are being built. It's an extremely durable product. All of the paint on these panels have a cool technology integrated into them. So though it will get hot, it will not even get close to as hot as a regular piece of steel if you were to take it and leave it on the sun. All of the units have 9-foot ceilings and floor-to-ceiling glass. The glass systems in the unit are all commercial grade, dual pane, aluminum framed, low E, awesome glass systems. If you use poor glass systems or you use poor insulation, you're gonna end up just running your AC or your heat constantly all the time, which results in waste when it comes to the energy efficiency of your home, which is something that we take pride in avoiding.
So welcome to the bathroom. In the Live, we went with this elongated vanity that's floating. It also has an LED light for ambient lighting beneath it. And we've got this beautiful Vessel Vigo matte sink here. We went with the fixed glass on the shower. All of our units have this tile in the shower. We've got this beautiful edge-to-edge horizontal glass.
All of them will have this cutout here for your shampoos, bars of soap, body wash, anything that you might need. Just a pretty normal size but fully livable bathroom that we try to make the most of and make people feel really comfortable in.
I've been very fortunate to be around a lot of military guys, Green Beret types. I was a college athlete, and we were mentored by a lot of these guys, and something they would always tell us was that losing a loved one is hard. Setting out to do something like this is challenging. And so I put them into two sort of different categories. I don't look at what we do as hard. I look at it as incredibly challenging. But to be really honest with you, it's fun. It would be really boring if this journey was easy. So we enjoy the challenge, we're up for the challenge, and it makes the end result that much more gratifying. You're already here. How do you want to spend your time? And I feel called to do great things and to do a lot of things. And my partner, I know Jared, feels the exact same way. So that's what drives us sort of intrinsically on a daily basis. There's something really special about showing up to a client's house when a project's completed and seeing them using this this thing that was just an idea, seeing them using it and utilizing it, it's just an incredibly gratifying experience. It's something that continues to drive us on a daily basis, and it's something that we want to see more of and feel more of.